Yes, now the last part of the paragraph. School, college, and university teachers of history can find ample opportunities in the field of publication of encyclopedias. Encyclopedias of all types require expert in history. Every subject has a developmental history. Scholars of history can contribute significantly to encyclopedias of various types. So, children, encyclopedias is very important. Already we have studied that while writing any type of history book or while studying about history, so we need to go back to the ages, we need to go back to the roots of that topic or particular information, and to find out those information we need to take the help of encyclopedia, dictionary, Vishwakosh, Shabdakosh, Samdanya Kosh. All these books are very important. Understood? So, unless the person who is going to write about our ancient glorious past, our culture, our tradition, our way of life, our everything, about festival, culture, he is supposed to take reference to all these books. These books are the storehouse of information of our past. Understood? So, encyclopedias, it contains every small minute information about our culture. So it is very important to preserve and conserve all these things, all these written, oral, and material sources. And already we have studied that we need to have special skills. Necessary skills is important. Understood, children? And that skill is important because unless we don't have that skill, we are not able to conserve and preserve these things. Understood? And archives, libraries, encyclopedia, all these are storehouse of information. So for historians, for scholars, for researchers, these are very important. So we are supposed to preserve and conserve all these things. Understood? So children, one very important thing, this lesson contains so many books, names of the so many writers, so many books. So again, like previous lessons also, I told you that please make a column and write all those books name, all those writers name, year also, so that you will able to learn very easily. So please, in this lesson, especially this your last lesson, it contains various names. So page by page, you write all those, suppose example, libraries, name of various libraries, ancient libraries, name of various museums of our country, name of various books related in encyclopedias and history, and so many writers. In page number 65, so many writers are given. So please children, make a column, write the writer's name, historian's name, and their history and their related books. Understood? Whatever they have written, the books, please make a column, and so that you will able to learn it properly. Understood? And with this lesson, we finished our history portion. Already we have finished our political science portion. In our next class, we will resume our geography lesson, the remaining 2 lessons of geography. Understood? So please complete your copies and start reading your lessons from lesson number 1. Understood? So children, thank you. I hope you have understood this lesson well.